come.
Goddess of justice, goddess of fairness, I thank thee today. I thank you very much for all you have been doing for your subjects in Benetiti. You've done well for them on Unquo Eke Ore Afo. I come to you today with a heavy heart because my brother Ajana has taken all bequeathed to us by our father, leaving me with nothing because I have no wife, I have no children. My heart is very heavy, very, very heavy. I want you to deal with him, leaving no stone unturned. If you can accede to my request, take the life of my brother so that he gives way, so that I have chance to prosper and be happy. You can do it for me. You've done it for me before. All my requests in the past, you have always fulfilled them. Fulfill this one. You sure? Fulfill this one. Now, fulfill, fulfill, glorious, fulfill now for. He said.
Thank God we escaped from those men. Who knows what they would have done to us?
Isn't it obvious that they are ritualists? They would have killed us the same way they killed Giant.
Hey, God, this world is turning to something else. So that girl is now gone.
Gone and gone forever. Only God knows the parents that have been thrown into mourning. Yeah.
Mama, good afternoon.
Sorry, my children. Take her to.
Why is she telling us to take her?
Do I know?
My father!
It's okay.
My mother is dead! Papa! Auntie, what's it, Papa? Sister Papa is dead! Baya Muruga!
Sorry.
In as much as I agree you have to cry because you've lost a loved one, coupled with the fact that you'll see him no more, I want to inform you that he offended the gods of the land. The gods of the land therefore struck. The goddess has declared that his corpse be brought to the shrine before sunset.
Onye ga-azọpụta n'anyị o, isi anya togo n'ido. Ime isi kwaka ịnwụọ, ọnwụ ebu n'ụzọ bịa o. Ikwu nke fasi ga-efu na ndụ ga na ndo. Ime nke fasi ga-eme na hariri eji ụlọ gị o. Ịbịa n'obodo anyị ndị dị njọ nọ n'ime ya, onye ọma.
Are you people still crying? No. He was struck because of his disobedience to the gods of the land. So do not cry as if there is no hope.
Then what do you expect us to do? Isn't there was all we had? This death is irreparable.
It's really painful, But he is dead and gone forever.
Hey.
I'm actually here to deliver a message from the gods of the land.
Ozokwa?
Yes. You have to provide a white cow, spotless cow, as sacrifice for cleansing.
Hey. Where do you expect us to get that from?
That question can be directed to the gods of the land. I have come here, like I said, to pass on this message. And please, provide it within the next 7 market days.
Hey.
Mama, is this man truly our father's younger brother?
Why does he hate us so much, Mama? Why?
Mama, did Papa offend him? Did Papa offend him?
I don't know. I don't know.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Who are they looking for?
I'm looking for Joseph.
Organa? Well, I are inside. So what are they come? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
One woman are they looking for gate.
One woman.
Oh, yes,
what's her name?
Wallahi, I know accent.
Musa, do you know you're so dumb?
What?
Go and get her in.
Sorry, sir. Oh, madam.
Mama!
How are you?
I'm fine! Hey. You didn't tell me you were coming.
My dear, the message I came with is urgent. So I could not wait to call you before I started coming.
I hope it's a good message.
Yes, it is. Where are my children?
They are inside. Sit down. Let me call them. See that? Only Mama is here.
When I came in the afternoon, I told you I came with an urgent message.
Yes, you said so, Mama.
I have had this revelation several, and my pastor confirmed it. You have to be the priest of the Most High.
Is that the urgent message you came with? You know, what is this? You and I have had a running argument about this over time. And I've told you squarely I cannot be a pastor.
God wants you to be. That is what God wants. You have a call, and you have to answer it.
I'm just tired of discussing this. I am doing great as a businessman. I go to church, I worship God, I serve Him in truth and in spirit. I worship God in all honesty. I can't be a pastor.
Joe, no man refuses the call of God. Remember Jonah in the Bible? He was running away from the call, and God made him to answer in a very tough way. Don't let that be your portion.
My name is Joseph, not Jonah. I know what I can do and what I cannot do. I can't accept to be a pastor because you say so. I can't be a pastor.
See, there is a way that seems right unto a man, and the end thereof is death. Proverbs 14, verse 2. Think about it.
Ibia n'obodo anyị ndị dị njọ nọ n'ime ya onye ọma obodo anyị dị egwu nwa m zakwa oku gị onye ọma n'ime obodo anyị.
The usual pastor story. Please do not start. I have had enough of this preaching from Mama. Please, I cannot be a pastor.
Obodo anyị dị egwu nwa m zakwa oku gị onye ọma ịgaza oku gị nwa m bịakwa n'ụlọ onye ọma obodo anyị dị egwu nwa m.
Eye of the goddess. Our people say, if an idol prove not to be insolent, its worshippers will uphold it to high esteem. I am here to report someone that has owed me for a very long time and has refused to pay me.
One on time. Hey. The name of this stubborn person Oyeyo is Wafo.
Yes, Ike Wafo.
Ike Wafo. One on time. Wafo. You know ever he making him.
Are you sure you have explored all means to recover your money from him?
Yes, Eye of the goddess. I have even gone to him severally. I threatened to arrest him, yet he does not want to pay me. He started avoiding me of recent.
One on Wafo. You know ever he making him. One on time. The goddess is appreciative of these gifts you have presented. The gifts did not go in vain. I want you to go home assured that Wafo will not only come and give you back your money, but will beg and say, I will never do it to you again. So, go home. Wait for your money.
Thank you, Eye of the goddess.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ibia n'obodo anyị ndị dị njọ nọ n'ime ya onye ọma obodo anyị.
Eye of the goddess, we have brought the goods.
You're welcome. Go and keep it there. Thank you once again for a job well done. You can go.
Someone brought letter for you, sir.
Who brought it?
The person just dropped it and left immediately, sir.
Ken.
Sir?
Ken.
Sir?
Do you know you're worse than a dummy? Huh? As big and as grown as you are, somebody brings a sealed letter to you and you didn't bother to ask his name? Huh?
No, the person just dropped it and left immediately, sir. I'm sorry.
So you shut up! You're always sorry. Get out of my presence! Feel emoji.
From the Abba the Shrine, you are hereby summoned to appear before the shrine on Thursday to explain to the oracle why you have refused to pay Mr. Sampson the money you borrowed from him 6 months ago. Failure to honor his invitation will attract maximum penalty if you not go to the goddess.
Jesus. So, Simpson reported me to a shrine.
Greetings, I am the goddess.
Thank you. Are you the Ikenwafo?
Yes, I of the goddess.
Ikenwafo, are you confirming before this oracle that you are owing Mrs. Sampson of the Nama the sum of 2 million naira?
I of the goddess. I am not denying I owe him that amount. But I have told him severally that I'll pay him.
Eh? You will pay me when? When? Those were your words to me on several occasions.
Please, Samson. I'm going to pay you back this money in 2 weeks' time, or even less than that. But just give me 2 weeks. 2 weeks. That is all I ask for.
I of the goddess. I do not believe he can waffle. He should swear before the goddess of justice that he must pay me my money unfailingly in 2 weeks.
Ike Nwafo,
I of the goddess.
I want to let you know that Amara is a merciless goddess. She does not spare. If you fail to pay this money at this date you have mentioned, you will have yourself to blame. Be informed. Bear that in mind. You can go.
Thank you, I of the goddess.
You can go. You can go. You can go.
Samson, please now. wait and listen. Samson, please. See, you're my friend. I need you to help me beg this chief priest. See, I promise, I'll pay back in 2 weeks. I must pay you back this money in 2 weeks, not more than 2 weeks.
Ike, you know me well, and I believe you. I had already accepted your 2 weeks offer, but the chief priest said no.
See, I don't want to suffer.
I wish I know what else to do. But don't worry. Let us go and get some things together. Then we come back and beg him to appease the goddess. Let us go.
Eye of the goddess, please have mercy on me. I beg of you, please have mercy on me. In fact, I've made up my mind to pay him soon as we leave this place. I'll go straight to the bank and transfer the money into his account. Please have mercy on me. I do not want to suffer. Do not let me suffer, I beg you. I beg of you. Don't let me suffer. Please.
Eye of the goddess. No matter how angry you are with the head, the cap can never be worn on the booters. Please have mercy on Ike Wafo. We brought this ram to say please, so you can help us plead with the goddess of justice to have clemency on him. Please.
Ike Wafo!
Eye of the goddess.
Ike Wafo!
Eye of the goddess.
Last time he came here, I told you, Abala, the grace of justice is fearless and merciless.
I know.
I told you.
I know.
Once you trigger her anger, you don't expect to pacify her with anything. Even 1,000 cows, she has made up her mind. Go and face the consequence. You can go.
Eye of the goddess, please.
You can go.
Please, I'll succeed.
Nothing you will do here will pacify her. You can go. Go and face the consequence.
Eye of the goddess.
Leave.
Eye of the goddess.
Leave. Hey, Haya! Nwata kwanazu! Ewala barike! Nyekwasi nnukwu ike n'enu nsi n'ike nne ibenye n'ike ike ike! Ike! Ewala!
Hey, what am I going to do now? What am I going to do now? Abala is merciless. How do I escape her wrath? Hey! Oh my God. I wish I had known. If I had known something would go this late, I would have since paid him his money. And to think that I had this money, I should have paid him off and just be myself.
Greetings, Eye of the Goddess.
Which life has been taken. Abara does not take it kindly with offenders.
Eye of the Goddess. I never wished for him to die. I only wanted my money.
Abara is a goddess of justice. She has meted justice out to Ike Nwafo.
It is so painful.
It will even be more painful if the family does not do what is necessary.
I do not understand. Eye of the goddess, please be specific.
He must not be buried. His corpse must be brought here within 3 days. Otherwise, the family will face more calamity. Yes.
I will take the message at once to the family.
Odera, you are still clearing this land. I have warned you to leave this land. This land belongs to my father and I want it.
You must be mad to tell me that the land my father farmed on while he was alive and I inherited at the event of his death now belongs to your father. You must be mad.
This land belongs to my father. My father only gave it to your father to farm on. I didn't need it at that time, but now I need this land back.
I don't have anything to tell you. But if you venture into this land again, then I will deal with you. Because in this community, women do not own land. Do you get that into your head?
Odera, how many times did I call you? This land you want to collect from me. This land, you cannot have it just like that. You cannot have what belongs to me just like that. I must surely get it back from you.
Now, leave here. Leave here now before I change my mind. Leave here. Nonsense.
I will get this land.
Come back here again. I'll deal with you. Nonsense.
Akwado ha maka ihe ahụ na-agụkwa mmadụ na-agụ ndị ma na ndị ụlọ awụ a ga-eme ndekwa okwekwu ha apara ikpe ya ejewe na mkpụrụ ana tinye okwu ọnụ mkpụrụ ana beziere ha ekwenekwa ka ịhụnanya ha ghasaa maka ọ ghasakwa obodo evuru apa
Eye of the goddess, that land belongs to her late father. He gave it to Odera's father to farm for a while. Unfortunately, he couldn't take it back before his demise.
Let me start by asking her, where is your brother? Or any of your brothers?
Eye of the goddess.
She is the only issue.
Only issue?
Yes.
And you said Odera is contesting that land with her?
Yes, Eye of the goddess.
Are you sure her father truly owns that land?
Eye of the goddess, I swear before the goddess that that land belonged to her late father. If I am lying, then let the goddess take me.
So be it. Justice will be done.
Thank you.
You can go.
Thank you.
The goddess.
Odera, you are making a very big mistake. Fighting Ulonna over that plot of land.
I am not making a mistake. That land belonged to my father. Ulonna is just only looking for trouble.
Now that she has reported to the goddess, what will you do about it?
Nothing. I'm innocent. I'm only fighting for my right.
And the goddess know that.
Now listen, Odera, and listen good. That land belongs to Ulonna's late father. He gave it to your father to farm on for a while. But unfortunately, he died a few months later.
Are you confirming that that land really belonged to her?
Yes. She owns the land.
Oh, this is not good at all. Have mercy on me. I acted out of ignorance, please. 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 Jay! Yeah. Please! God, I stop privileging this, please!
Come, Toti, say, come, sweet.
Voila! The lioness that towers above other lions. The goddess of justice, the goddess of fairness. Awara, I praise you for all this. But I'm sorry to say, Awara, that the way you do this at times is very slow for my liking. Awara, at times you temper justice with mercy. I don't like it that way. I want to be precise. I want to be destructive. I want to meet up with my target. When I strike, there's destruction. There's no amendment, no repair. I therefore plead with you for me to turn your face the other way around, so that things will begin to be faster. Things will begin to be fierce. Actions I take will begin to be destructive. Voila! I'm sorry to do this, but I have to do it to meet up with my parents. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Eye of the goddess. You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
No. Thank you. Thank you. The time for the sacrifice of atonement for our goddess is around again, and we have to prepare for it.
It is an age-long tradition in this our land, and it is known by even Okoko.
Eye of the goddess.
Yes, sir.
Please tell us, has the goddess chosen someone for the sacrifice?
Yes. Yes. The goddess has made her choice, and it is the daughter of my late brother's in Oluchi.
How? Oh, this is difficult. Huh? Considering that Ezinne just died and the family is in mourning.
In Enekwa?
It is well. It is my family as well. Yes, sir. So I am still mourning. But the wish of the goddess must be obeyed.
Well, the goddess has made her choice, and we cannot question her choice.
It's our tradition. It must be obeyed. Must be carried out.
You like beans.
Mama, as a growing child, I need beans to cook Holland.
You will have to cook this one.
That's good, fella.
You will have to be the one to cook it today. I will not cook. Hey. Now you then. Ichiwakaka, welcome.
Uncle, good afternoon. Welcome.
Hi. Welcome. Let me get
Chika.
this. No.
We have a message for you from the goddess.
Ne Uzoma, the goddess has chosen your daughter Oluchi as a sacrifice of atonement.
What? No. What are you saying? My daughter Oluchi.
That is the decision of the goddess. Oluchi must be prepared and brought before sunset. Thank you.
Mama, this is not good. Mama, this is not good. Why are they taking Oluchi? Why?
What have I done? Oh, goddess. What have I done that you have chosen to punish me this way? What have I done? Oh. What have I done wrong? Hey!
Hurry up. No, she didn't come home. I don't know, I doubt because I didn't see her.
I know she will not come. Because she told me yesterday that she will not come. So that was why I was asking you.
Hey, did you hear her father is sick?
No, but that's not an excuse. It is not. Because every day I'm fetching your water for you. Every day.
Why won't you fetch her? You're not my sister. Stop that scene.
I know I'm your sister, but at least
let's hurry up.
I won't see my own because this thing is very heavy.
You are to follow us to the shrine right away, on the orders of the chief priest and the elders.
Me? Why am I needed at the shrine?
Come, you don't have to ask us questions. We have our orders, and we are here to carry them out.
Hold it. See, my sister is not going anywhere with you until you tell me what she's going there to do.
Yes.
Now. Here.
We are also instructed to bring you by force if you refuse to follow us peacefully. Can we move now?
Move to left away. See what I know now. Mama, Ivena. Mama, they have taken Oluchi away. Oh. We were at the shrine when they came. They said they were instructed by the chief priest and elders to bring her to the shrine.
Yes, it's true.
What is going on? Your uncle was there. He said that the goddess chose Oluchi to be used for the sacrifice of atonement. My daughter will be used. My daughter will be sacrificed to the goddess.
Mano. Mama, it's not fair. Mama, this is not fair.
This is not good. It's not been too long I lost my husband. And now the goddess wants to take my daughter.
What do you want me to do? What?
Nadi, please, talk to her. You are her mouthpiece. Please, make her change this choice, Biko.
I will not risk making such a request to Awala. Oh, she has made a choice, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. Nothing.
Nai, Biko. Remember, Oluchi is like your own daughter. She is your blood. Nai, Biko, you can help me. Biko.
There is no point flogging a dead horse. The arrangement will go as planned. Nobody, not even I, can do anything about it. Nobody. Nobody.
Ayekene, Agbala ayekene, iyi mebugola ayi, ijeke megola ayi ozo, Agbala ayekene. Ashimu no wala ajiju nje kaju, ajuju. Okwa na no, ono kalekwa, ole ulem. Mmaji ya bajujum. Asimunjomu. Ndiko wata kwa nazi melo yo ahụ. Yukwa shi. Hani nebuli eni kenne ya. Hey! Ndiko wata kwa nazi melo yo ahụ. Yoshi. Hani nebuli eni kenne ya. Ikem. Ofulogelem. Hoja! Awala! Hey! Agane hey! Aye mezeto. Hojam! Awala! Goddess of justice and fairness, we have come to you again. Awala! You are responsible for giving life. You are as well responsible for taking life. We present to you this maiden sacrifice of atonement. Take her, Awala. Make us prosper. Prosper our sons and daughters, wherever they are, home and abroad. Take her. Prosper us to the envy of our neighbors, to the envy of our enemies. Awala, take her. Awala has taken her. Awala has answered our prayers. Give Awala. He said. Hey.
Honey, what is it? Talk to me. Did you have an accident?
I met a boy today.
Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
He has asked me to deliver a message to you, sir.
He? Who is the he and what message has he asked you to deliver to me?
The Lord. He has asked me to tell you that he wants you to be a priest in his vineyard.
Come. Do you know my mother?
No. Just brought the message. As I was to reach him back out.
Now you go tell whoever sent you to me that you have not seen me, okay? Go.
Can't you see that God is calling you? And you cannot continue to run away from him.
tired. I want to go and fresh up. I'm very hungry.
Mama, Ozioma, I have been thinking, and I suggest we run away from this village before we all die here for nothing.
Yes, Mama. I totally agree with him. Let's leave this village before they come and say we've been chosen again.
Okay, just look at the way Papa died. And not too long after, they came and took Oluchi along. As for me, I will not die in this village. I will never.
My children, how can we run away from our own land, leaving everything behind? For how long shall we continue to run? Mama, should we continue to suffer this evil fate then? Well, if it is the will of the goddess to wipe out this family and close this lineage, so be it.
No, Mama. I will not accept such fate. Mama, I have not done evil to any man nor spirit to warrant untimely death. I have not.
Me too, Mama. I will not stay in this village and die for nothing. We are not running anywhere.
Mama? So we're not running?
I am finished. I'm wrecked for life. My 3-way houses have been razed down by fire.
Jesus Christ! How?
I don't know. And I'm not finished paying for the goods in there. But where do I start? Hey!
Who did we offend now? Why all this? Hey. You have to stop crying. You have to calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. You don't know what I'm going through. Where do I start? Everything I have worked for all my life, gone.
Ọkwọ na Igbo ji aka ha aka ịma na okwu na nwata m agbala kasaka ya okwu Elders of Obinechiti, you're welcome.
Eye of the gods. Eye of the gods. Has the goddess spoken?
Eye of the gods. Who is the chosen one for the sacrifice this time?
It is painful indeed, and heavy in the mouth to speak.
There is nothing the eye will see that will make it to shed blood. Speak to us.
The goddess has chosen the son of my late brother Ifena.
Ifena, watch now.
No, but there is nothing for me to waste now. Let her put this one so I waste it.
My dear, that's not an excuse. Join me and wash.
Ma, you see, she's even washing her own.
Very, very lazy. Oh yeah, wash your. Oh yeah, wash. Very lazy. Very lazy. Very, very lazy. Hey, now you then. It's your work. I hope all is well. This your visit is amazing me.
Toad does not run in the daytime for nothing. It's either he's cooking something or something is after him.
Let me get some seats so that we can talk.
There will be no need for that. The goddess has once again chosen a member of your family as a sacrifice of atonement. And that person is Ifena.
No way! It can't be me.
The goddess had already decreed it. So who are we to argue it?
Hey, why must it be my children all the time? What have we done?
I asked the same question and I was rebuked by the goddess.
I will not be sacrificed to the goddess. Never!
You better tell him the implication, the consequences of running away. The goddess must not be delayed.
No, Uncle. Uncle, this is not fair. Why must it be us all the time? What have we done? What did we do to the goddess? What have we done wrong? How did we offend the goddess?
We have passed the message. Let him be brought to the shrine before sunset. Before sunset.
Onye gazapụta n'anyị yo, isi anya togo n'ilo. Ime isi kwaka ịnwụọ, ọnwụ ebulu ụzọ bịa o. Ikwu nke fasi ga-ekwu na ndụ ga na ndụ. Ime nke fasi ga-eme na hariri eju ụlọ gị o. Ịbịa n'obodo anyị ndị dị njọ nọ n'ime ya. Onye ọma, obodo anyị dị egwu. Nwa m zakwa oku gị, onye ọma.
Sacrifice to that evil and wicked goddess. She has drunk the blood of my father and my sister. I will not let her drink my own blood. Never.
Nwata akwọ n'azụ nwere nshi n'elu ike nne. Ọfụtara na ike na-agba warawara. Ka ọ na-agba wuruwuru. Nwata akwọ n'azụ.
It has never been heard in the history of this our land that someone marked for the sacrifice of atonement ran away.
This boy wants to desecrate the sacred tradition of Obinetiti. He has already been chosen by the goddess.
But what do we do? What do we do? The sacrifice must be done.
Yes.
And it must be the one already chosen by the goddess. Eye of the gods. What are we going to do?
Hey! Nwata akwọ n'azụ anyụọ nshi n'elu ike nne. That boy must be found. If not, the goddess of the land will unleash terror on this land. No man, the woman will survive it.
We must not let it get to that point. That boy must be found. He must be found.
Yes.
What are
Mama, what are we going to do now? No one knows where Ifena is or what has become of him.
I don't know. I don't know.
Why me in this world?
Why has the goddess decided to wipe out my family? What have we done to the goddess? Why Why does she want to wipe out my family? Why?
Mama, is it truly the goddess working all day and trying to kill us all? Mama, the goddess cannot be this callous.
I don't know. I don't know. I have asked my creator severally. Why me in this wicked world? Why me? What have I done to deserve this kind of ill treatment?
Mama, this whole thing is getting out of hand. This whole thing is getting out of hand. First it was Papa. Then they came and took my sister away. Now it's Ifena.
Chinekena. Rescue me from this wicked world. I have not wronged anybody. No, my hands are clean. Save me from this wicked world. Save my family, because save us, Chineke, because
Kugie nwamo bịakwa n'ụlọ onye ọma obodo anyị dị egwu nwamo zakwa oku gị onye ọma ị ga-eme ka chi si chọọ nwamo dododo onye ọma obodo anyị dị egwu nwamo zakwa oku gị onye ọma onye ga-anapụta n'anyị o n'aka omekome o onye ga-azọpụta n'anyị o isi anya togo n'ilo ime isi kwaka akwaka ịnwụọ ọnwụ ebulu ụzọ bịa o ikwu nke fasi ga-ekwu na ndụ ga-ana.
This is a very important assignment. He must be found by all means. All means. He's been chosen by the goddess as a sacrifice of atonement. So he must be brought here.
I of the goddess, we will not disappoint you. We shall find him and bring him here.
Thank you. From now on, I monitor your footsteps. So go.
So I came out of the building and headed to my car. On getting there, these two armed men came out from nowhere and surrendered me with their guns. Before I could even talk, they snatched my key and zoomed away with the car.
Jesus. God, what is all of this? What have we done to deserve this? God, why?
I don't know. I don't know what I have done to deserve all of this. I haven't wronged anybody. I'm not contesting anything with anybody. What is happening to my life?
I'll be right back, oh.
Mama, where are you going? Do you want to leave me also?
No. I am not leaving you. I want to go and confront that evil man that calls himself your uncle. What?
No, Mama, why? Why?
Uzoma, I want to ask him what we have done to him that he has decided to wipe us out one by one.
Mama,
I won't let you do that. You can't do it. You can't confront Uncle Udene. He may hurt you.
Ah! What more can he do to me that he has not done already? Uzoma, I want to look straight in his eyes and ask him what we have done to him.
Mama, please. Mama, please. For my sake, don't go. Please. Please, Mama.
Uzoma, for your sake, I will go.
Onye ga-anapụta n'anyị o, n'aka omekome o. Onye ga-azọpụta n'anyị o, isi anya togo n'ilo. Ime isi kwaka akwaka ịnwụọ, ọnwụ ebulu ụzọ bịa o. Ikwuo nke fasi ga-ekwu na ndụ ga-ana na ndụ. Ime nke fasi ga-eme na hariri eju ụlọ gị o.
Why are people crying and disturbing your peace?
Huh?
You should not cry for him. Because he's dead. He died because he refused to answer the call of his creator. And this is the consequence of disobedience.
Joseph, you said to listen to me. Mama.
How dare you come into this sacred land in your footwear? Remove it. Take it elsewhere. Here is a sacred land. Don't come here and commit sacrilege. What is it?
Nanyu, then I have come to ask you some questions.
Talk. There's no time to waste.
Why have you decided to wipe out my family? Your late brother's family. What evil have we done to you?
No, Zoma. I understand the fact that you are frustrated, but that's not reason enough to come here and speak ill of the goddess, ill of the eye of the goddess, in the presence of the oracle. Don't dare do that.
I'm here neither to insult nor abuse you. If my late husband, Ezenea, your brother, offended you while he was alive, please tell me so that we can settle it amicably and stop killing all his children under the guise that the goddess has chosen them for sacrifice.
Now listen to me. I am only the mouthpiece of the goddess. I have not said, not done anything I'm not instructed to do.
Nanyu Dene, Tell the goddess to leave my family alone. I have not done anything to her. Neither have my children offended her. They had to leave my children alone. Leave my family alone.
If you're done, you can leave here, please.
Just tell her to leave us alone.
Leave.
Onye ga-anapụta n'anyị o, n'aka omekome o. Onye ga-azọpụta n'anyị o, isi anya togo n'ilo. Ime isi kwaka ịnwụọ, ọnwụ ebulu ụzọ bịa o. Ikwuo nke fasi ga-ekwu na ndụ ga-ana na ndo. Ime nke fasi ga-eme na hariri eju ụlọ gị o. Ịbịa n'obodo anyị ndị dị njọ nọ n'ime ya. Onye ọma, obodo anyị dị egwu. Nwa m zakwa oku gị, onye ọma. N'ime obodo anyị ihe dị njọ juru eju o. Onye ọma, obodo anyị dị egwu. Nwa m zakwa oku gị, onye ọma.
Edu, please, have you seen my brother Ifenna?
Ifenna?
Yes.
I thought I saw him a while ago running in the bush like a bush fowl. I don't know. Where was he running to?
Running? Hey.
Is there a problem?
No problem. Did you see anyone pursuing him?
No, exactly. I only saw him running.
Please, where did he take this road or the other one?
I said while I was coming back from the farm.
What is wrong with your phone? You say she has been calling you and switched off.
Yeah, I switched it off. I don't want to be disturbed.
Okay, well, she said you should come to the building, but it's very urgent.
Alright.
Maybe she sounded very serious.
I've heard you. I'll be in the village tomorrow.
Okay.
Nwa m zakwa oku gị, onye ọma. Ị ga-aza oku gị, nwa m bịakwa n'ụlọ. Onye ọma, obodo anyị dị egwu. Nwa m zakwa oku gị, onye ọma. Ị ga-eme.
wo ana yokwa no nele wo ana nele wai owo heji kala yin o Igbo shi Hoja what are you shineni keneya o what are you shineni keneya what are you shineni keneya awuni kena wa wai kena ba wu yo wa wai what are you on shineni keneya the weekend what the weekend there oh well I'm the mechanism Huja there you Ozukwe oh jajwa ahumia aye wori Voila! The goddess of justice, the goddess of fairness. We are here this morning to offer you this sacrifice of atonement. Voila! We offer this sacrifice to atone for the sins of the sons of this land and daughters of this land. Accept us the way we are. Meekly, Abuela. When you accept this sacrifice, let us prosper in everything we do. In our farm business, in our business, wherever we are, whether at home or abroad. Abuela. We praise thee. May you live long. May you live long.
My God, why have you forsaken me? Why have you forsaken me, God? Why have you forsaken me? Why have you forsaken me? Why? Hey, Chica, Chico, Wagi, Chica, hey, God, get a camelo, because get a camelo.
Sorry, now you there here?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. I beg, I guess more assistance. I want me to fix my brother. I will take off the protect.
Wow. How come I don't
you know if you patch a many, I just make a manager.
You know just the face with that bomb, but I know the work. Sorry.
Okay, new one now.
New one of that bomb now, 10,000.
10,000?
Yes, sir.
$3,500 no fee buy.
No, but I ain't selling 3,500. 10,000 they sell on last price.
But if you use 3,500, patch anyhow. Me just.
But that one a bad work.
Everything is just falling apart. My 3 warehouses were razed down by fire just recently. And a few days ago, my car was snatched at gunpoint. And now this. Well, what's going on? I'm just frustrated.
Listen, that is one of the reasons I sent for you. I had a terrible revelation about you. Joseph, I saw you lying in state in this company.
Lord of Jesus. I cannot die, Mama.
Of course, I prayed against it. In that revelation, a man walked into this compound and said we should not cry for you, that you died for your disobedience.
I don't understand you.
Joseph, answer God's call. You cannot run away from it.
I should have known that was where you were driving to. What's with this call? I just told you I have issues, just like every other normal human being every day. And you're telling me about call. It's a normal problem. Let me solve my problem.
And you think the problems you're having are ordinary? This is God speaking to you. Joseph, answer God's call. You cannot run away from it.
I have told you countless times, Mama. I cannot be a pastor. Onye teto lo pastor. How? How?
Were you here when this happened?
Okay, yes, sir. I was there when this thing happened.
So how did it happen?
Officer, this woman was only trying to cross the lane when the Camry 2.2 model knocked her down. The driver, in a bid to run away, the bomber pulled off. He escaped. What color? Wine color, officer. Yes.
So all of my day, none of my people plate number.
Okay, he ran so fast.
What did you say is the call again?
Wine color, officer. The bomber pulled off. The bomber pulled off. Wine color. Camry 2.2.
she's still alive.
She's alive. Get hold on yourself. She's alive. She lost a lot of blood. She also needs some blood.
Okay, take my eye. Have enough. Just take my own blood.
Madam, it's not like that. We have to run some tests before we can use your blood.
Only. No problem. Let's go. Can we do the test?
Come on. Ready?
My son, I beg you in God's name. Accept this call. And save yourself from all these unnecessary troubles.
Mama, God did not call me. If God called me, He would have manifested a long time ago when I was a child. Not now.
There is no special time for the call.
Mama, or if I can I have somewhere to go.
Hey! Oh! My head! Jesus!
Mama?
Hey!
Mama? 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 Mama, what is this? Mama? Hey! Mama! Mama, give me the medicine now, Mama! Hey! Hey! Mama! Mama, talk to okay, Mama!
Well, madam, we cannot use your blood. You have hepatitis B.
Jesus! Doctor, what do we do now?
We have options. You can call the father of the child to donate blood. Or you buy blood.
Okay, no problem. We call her father. Mama! Mama! Wake up! What happened to Mama? What happened to Mama? Mama, wake up! Jama! Hey! Jama! Mama! Is it this light? Mama!
Mama was not sick. We were here talking now. Eh? Mama, tell them you were not sick, that we were talking a while ago. Hey! Anem. Mama Molomo, wake up! Wake up! Wake up and tell them nothing is wrong with you. My daughter? What happened to my daughter? What are you talking about? Where? How? Stop there, stop. God don't punish you today. Please, I don't understand, but can I beg you? I'm in a hurry. Something is actually...
My friend, shut up and keep quiet! Shut up! You think say you go hit that person called come out, Abi?
Hit who? I didn't hit anybody, officer. Honestly, believe me. I ran into a fence while I was coming back from the village. That's why I have my bumper at the back of my face.
My friend, shut up! When you get to the station, you speak the truth. My friend, secure this criminal! Move! Secure him immediately! Come on!
I said move! Wait, officer!
Come on, move!
Sorry, can you listen to me? Move! Officer, listen.
onye ga-azọpụta n'anyị o isi anya togo n'ido ime isi kwaka akwaka ịnwụọ ọnwụ ebulu ụzọ bịa o ikwuo nke fasi ga-ekwu na ndụ ga-ana na ndo ime nke fasi ga-eme na hariri eju ụlọ gị o ịbịa n'obodo anyị ndị dị njọ nọ n'ime ya onye ọma obodo anyị dị egwu nwa m zakwa oku gị onye ọma n'ime obodo anyị ihe dị njọ juru eju onye ọma obodo anyị dị egwu nwa m zakwa oku gị onye ọma ịgaza oku gị nwa m bịakwa n'udo onye ọma obodo anyị dị egwu.
Madam, where's the father of this child?
Doctor, I don't know.
She needs blood urgently. She needs blood.
But I don't know. I called him and he started coming. And his phone is switched off. I don't know what to do, doctor.
Well, I think the only option here is to buy blood. You need to buy blood before it's too late.
Doctor, please. Just save my child for me, please. Please, doctor.
Oh, okay, come on, brother, sit down. Come on, get up. Sit down, stop crying. Come on. See, I'm ready to save your child. Go to the cashier, pay 100,000 naira so that we can get the blood immediately.
Doctor, I don't have that kind of money. And the worst is that my husband is not fault for me, doctor. What do I do? Jesus.
Madam, this is your child. Come on, this is your child. You are delaying the recovery of your child.
Please, doctor, you have to do something. Please.
Call your husband or go to the cashier, pay 100,000 naira, let me feed blood into this child.
Doctor, where do I get that kind of money from?
You don't want to talk, Adi? You don't want to talk? I will kill you here. I swear I will kill you. Just like a kid that woman. I'm very quiet. I'm talking. You don't know that she's the younger sister to our ACP.
I have told you the truth. I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't know about any accident. I did not kill any woman.
You go die, you. I swear. I'm not afraid you die.
Hey,
you die here.
Please. I need to go to the hospital and donate blood to my daughter. Please. Let me go and do it.
Be quiet! That one has a story. You want to go and donate blood to your daughter. But I don't have a clear person. Smart thing.
Police is your friend. The earlier I said the truth, the better for you. I can't lie to you now. But after everything you have done to me, I'm not lying. Okay, what will happen? Take me to the hospital. Let me donate the blood. Then bring me back here. Please.
Gloria, what is it? Gloria! Doctor! Gloria, doctor! Gloria! Doctor, what is wrong with my child? Doctor! Doctor, what is wrong with her?
She's gone.
What?
Well, I'll let you go to the hospital. It's clear. But back at Akaya, we end up in the position.
Thank you. Thank you very much, officer. God bless you.
God already bless you.
I'm looking for my wife and my daughter. Doctor, thank God you're here. Please, where are my wife and my daughter?
Who are you? And what are the names of your wife and daughter?
My name is Joseph Chukuma. My wife is Mary Chukuma. My daughter is Gloria. I was told they were brought here.
Okay, the father of the little girl who had an accident.
Yes, exactly.
And what kept you so long?
I don't know. I had a lot of issues today. I can't go into all of that. Let me just see them, please.
Mr. Joseph, you're a man. We tried all we could. And then we lost your daughter. Your wife collapsed and died. Mr. Joseph, come on, stop it!
Give me the miracle in my life. A miracle in my life. Oh, where he made an apple so I will never.
Hey! Who is here? What are you doing here? Stop this madness! I'm asking all of you. What is happening here? How dare you bring other gods to this land? How dare you?
It is like this written in the Bible. There is no other God except Jehovah Nissi, the maker of the universe, the creator of heaven and earth. And your God is nothing. You cannot stand it. This land must be free today. In the mighty name of